How to log into OpenSea wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can log into your OpenSea account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into your OpenSea account, you want to simply head over to OpenSea.io and then just make sure that you're on this specific interface over here. Now once you're on this interface, what you want to do is, if you look at the top right hand side, you'll find an option called Connect Wallet. You want to make sure to click the Connect Wallet option. Now OpenSea cannot be logged in directly itself because it is not an independent platform. It requires you an external wallet such as MetaMask, Ledger, Coinbase wallet, Trust wallet, Phantom, Bitkeep, or whatever else type of wallet is there. You want to make sure to simply select those type of specific wallet from the list. In this case, because I've already installed and connected my MetaMask account, I'm just going to select MetaMask here and then I'm just going to click on the continue button. And once I've done that, you can see my login process has begun, and basically you can see my OpenSea is successfully connected to one of the wallet that I chose. Now as I repeated earlier as well, it could be any wallet. It doesn't really have to be MetaMask. Once you've done that, click the accept and sign button and you'll be successfully logged in to OpenSea and you can begin using it. So hope this video helped you as to how you can go ahead and log into OpenSea. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.